Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Alhamdulillah. I hope everyone is feeling good and ready to learn. Before we start today's lesson, let's begin with a prayer. Class leader, please start with prayer. Alright, let me first check your attendance. Is everyone here today? Or is there anyone who is sick or has permission to be expected? Alright, everyone is here. Does anyone know what we are going to learn today? Alright, today we are going to learn about the respiratory system in English. Can anyone tell me what the respiratory system does? Alright, children, do you know what humans use to breathe? What body organs are used for the human respiratory process? How do we care for the health of respiratory organs? Great! The respiratory system helps you to breathe. It brings in oxygen and lets out carbon dioxide. Let's find out how it works. I'm going to share my screen with you so we can see a video of the respiratory system. Let's talk about the part of respiratory system. Let's see the video.
We have to breathe, and to carry out this very important function, we use the respiratory system.
Respiratory system, organ of respiratory system.
Breathing is an involuntary process that we do without realizing, but we can control it. Today, we're going to find out what breathing consists of and how the respiratory system works. The first thing we need to know is that breathing consists of inhaling air in nature to take advantage of the oxygen it contains and thereby expelling the carbon dioxide, which is the part of the air we don't use. The first phase, which is when the air enters the lungs,
First phase and second phase.
inhalation.
Inhalation.
The second phase, which
The
is when
second
we
phase
expel
is
the air we don't
exhalation.
use, is called exhalation. They are
Exhalation.
the exact opposite. The respiratory system is responsible for breathing, and for that it uses the lungs
The lungs is
and the airways.
airways from nose.
The airways are tubes through which the air passes until it reaches the lungs. And they are made up of the nose and mouth, the pharynx, larynx, the trachea, the bronchi, the bronchioles.
Parts of the respiratory system.
Now, let's take a look at how the respiratory system works. When we breathe in, air enters our body through our nose and mouth. The air then passes through the pharynx and into the larynx.
The pharynx, larynx.
Did you know that the larynx contains the vocal cords, which allow us to speak or sing? La 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 la. They are like the strings of a guitar. When they vibrate, they produce the voice. Well, once the air has passed through the larynx, it reaches the trachea. The trachea is divided into two tubes through which the air passes, which are called the bronchi. The bronchi are license. Inside the lungs, branch into narrow tubes called bronchial leads into many small sacs called alveoli. And it is there, in the alveoli, where gas exchange takes place. The oxygen in the air passes into the blood through some very small blood vessels, which are called alveoli. Then, what is left over from the air, which is carbon dioxide, travels back through the respiratory system to be expelled outside. As you can see, the respiratory system is very important, so we have to take good care of it. And for that, we have to practice a lot of sport and take care of nature so as not to pollute the air we breathe. Healthy lungs are pink. When we
Alright, after watching the video of the respiratory system, we can know about how the respiratory system works in your bodies. Next, I have a song about the respiratory system. Let's sing together.
Entering the respiratory system, oxygen to the nose, pharynx, trachea, passing through the bronchi, also bronchioles, onto the alveoli, exchange for carbon dioxide. Inhale oxygen, hey hey. Inhale oxygen, hey hey. Inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. Inhale oxygen, hey hey. Inhale oxygen, hey hey. Inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide.
Alright, let's continue. Next, we will make a product about the respiratory system with simple objects around us. I will show a video on how to make this product. To balloon. Alright, after that, do teach. Alright, now let's talk about how we breathe. When we breathe in, air enter our body through the nose, goes down the trachea, and into the lungs. Oxygen from the air moves into our the blood. When we breathe out, we let out carbon dioxide. We learn about the part of the respiratory system and how we breathe. Can anyone tell me one thing to the lungs do? Alright, exactly. The lungs help you take in oxygen. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a beautiful day. See you next time. Teaching materials, human respiratory system. Topic A. How does breathing help me do daily activities? Understanding the human respiratory system. Getting to know the respiratory organs. Now we will take a walk through the respiratory tract. This is the time we become aware that we are breathing. This way you can explore breathing consequently and which organs of the body are used of the breathing. One, nose. Imagine when you are walking, suddenly a sound truck passes by and makes the fly. The nose is the entry point and exit point of air, which is very important for our respiratory system. Without the nose, we cannot inhale and exhale properly. Pharynx. Air entering through the nose will continue its journey to the pharynx. The pharynx is the upper esophagus, which is a branch of two channels. It is in the pharynx that air meets food and drink. Next, throat and bronchial tubes. The air passes through the throat and passes through the air branching into two. The branching is called the bronchus. At the junction, there is a shout sensor. If there is rise for a foreign object in the respiratory tract, the object will be pushed up by touch. Next, lungs. All the air we breathe goes into the lung. Without the lung, we will not be able to breathe. The lungs are located in the chest activity, the body. Humans have two lungs, the right and left lungs. The lungs are made of small units called alveoli. In the alveoli, there will be an exchange of air between the oxygen we breathe and carbon dioxide. Oxygen will be circulated throughout the body, while carbon dioxide is released through exhalation. Diaphragma. The function of the diaphragm is the breathing process is very important. Without the diaphragm, a person will not be able to breathe. Well, because of the great function in the breathing, the health of the diaphragm must always be maintained. Diaphragmatic breathing is known to help the lungs expand larger, allowing more air to enter. In addition, diaphragmatic breathing can also reduce oxygen needs and use less energy to breathe. Inhale and exhale. Human respiratory mechanism. Step 1, inhale. When you inhale, the diaphragm muscle contract and the lungs expand. Air enters through the nose and in the lungs. Dirt is filtered as it passes through the nose, trachea, and bronchi. Step 2, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. In the alveoli, there is an exchange between oxygen gas obtained from outside the body and carbon dioxide gas found in the blood. Step 3, exhaling. After the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas in the alveoli, the breath will be exhaled. The diaphragm muscle will relax, the lungs will dilate, and carbon dioxide gas will be released through the mouth or nose. The process of breathing in human. How the human respiratory works? The work of the human respiratory system involves all respiratory organs. These organs work together to help the body exchange gas between the lungs and blood vessels, which will then be distributed throughout the body or head into the air. Alright, did everyone see how the air moves in the lungs? Does anyone have any question about the breathing process? You all did an amazing job today. We learned about the parts of respiratory system and how we breathe. Can anyone tell me one thing the lungs do? Exactly, the lungs help you take in oxygen. Great job, everyone. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.